Can man replace water? Well, the answer is not possible. Man did, however, substitute water for this. Apart from not feeling really clean or fresh, this method in our daily toilet practice no longer satisfies our modern-day requirement for pure, clean, personal hygiene. Well, wait no more. Rim Bidet System is the new, cleaner, more comfortable modern-day alternative. For people who expect the best in comfort and convenience, this new system, when installed on your existing toilet, will add a water wash to your conventional toilet. Not only will water provide the cleanliness essential to our personal hygiene, but it will also have a direct effect on improving our environment. Just imagine the millions of trees which have to be cut for the sole purpose of manufacturing toilet paper. In our daily toilet practice, we all become responsible for the waste of these precious resources and added strain to our sewage disposal system. Our forest, fresh air go down the drains every time we flush away the toilet paper. But now we can stop that. By using the Rim Bidet system, we become a part of the solution. We not only improve the degree of cleanliness in our personal hygiene, but we increase the chances for a safer future and a friendly environment. We believe no one should be deprived of the comfort and benefit of water cleaning. We designed the Rim Bidet system to convert your conventional existing toilet into a two-in-one toilet bidet and therefore increase attention to personal hygiene and total body care. Water makes a lot of sense, and water spraying is not only logical, but a lot more convenient, especially when the old bones refuse to bend anymore. Unlike other similar products, the Rim Bidet will not use any extra space and is reasonably priced within everyone's reach. The Rim Toilet Bidet system is designed to fit on most toilet styles with easy and simple installation. In most cases, no soldering or pipe cutting is required. Just follow these basic steps. First, remove your existing toilet seat and the lid assembly from the toilet bowl. Second, locate the spray valve between the seat and the bowl. Adjust it so that the arm will clear the toilet seat. Align the slots of the spray valve with the holes in the toilet seat by tightening the screws connection. Turn the water off to remove the connection between main water supply and the toilet tank. Install a T-junction in the main water supply line. Connect a flex hose from the T-junction to the spray valve. And another one to the toilet tank. Congratulations! Now your own water wash system is fully installed and ready to use. The movement of the activating handle turns the water on or off, as well as moving the spray head out of the way. Therefore, cleaning and normal use of the toilet is not compromised. To be pure, clean, or not to be, Rim Toilet Bidet System is the answer. Maybe Rim Toilet Bidet System will not change the world overnight, but you can be sure we're getting there, and the demands for comfortable, cleaner personal hygiene can no longer be ignored. Exclusive dealerships are now available. If your territory is not taken yet, please contact our head office and ask for a complete distribution package deal.